Hello everyone, welcome to Mariner's Point. In this video, I am going to solve electrical numerical question which is asked in MU class 4 in written exam. Question we have: the load of 4-wire 3-phase system are red line to neutral current 50 ampere and power factor is given in lagging 0.707 and yellow line to neutral current is 40 ampere and power factor of 0.866 in lagging. Blue line to neutral current is 40 ampere and power factor is 0.707 in leading, and we have to calculate the current in the neutral wire. So here current in the neutral wire is the resultant of these 3 wire. Now we will take reference of figure. We have this figure. We can see now we have given power factor. With the help of power factor we can calculate phase angle. So after calculating phase angle, the figure will be like this. So how can we calculate phase angle? So here I am calculating phase angle. We can see. So first, formula of power factor is cos phi, and phi is here phase angle or phase angle. This is the phase angle. This phase angle is angle between the current and voltage. Now we will calculate phase angle for all 3 wire with the help of power factor. So here we have current in the red wire, yellow wire and blue wire. Now we are calculating. This is the formula. You can see power factor is equal to cos phi. So here phi is phase angle. So here phi is equal to cos inverse power factor. So now we will calculate like this. IR we have given in lagging. So in lagging mode given. So here IR current lagging the voltage by 45 degree. This 45 degree is phase angle. We can calculate using this formula, cos inverse power factor. Power factor is given. So when we use this formula, we will get phase angle 45 degree. Similarly, for yellow wire we can see phase angle 30 degree. Similarly, for blue wire we have phase angle 45 degree. Now here we calculated phase angle of all 3 wire. Now next we have to calculate the current in the neutral wire. Now here for calculating the current in neutral wire, we have to calculate resultant of all 3 wire. For that we will use this formula. Here you can see current in horizontal direction and vertical direction under root summation of a square of. We have to calculate first and then we will take a square root, and that is the resultant current. That is the current flowing in the neutral wire. For calculating horizontal and vertical, first we have to calculate angle. Here we will use one theory that in a 3-phase 4-wire system, already in the question given 3-phase wire. In 3-phase 4-wire system, all the phase voltage are 120 degree apart. That means this is yellow wire, this is blue and this is red, and all these are voltage wire. So the phase voltage is apart 120 degree. This you have to remember. So we can say in a phase 4-wire star system, the phase voltage are 120 degree are apart. Now coming to the question. Now coming to the first diagram here. When we will calculate, when we will break down horizontal and vertical current, we will require angle. So now already lagging and leading power factor is given. So when we will calculate, this is 45 degree lagging voltage to the red wire, and this is the VB, and this is the VY. Here 30 degree lagging, and here in leading. So this is given. Now we will draw x-axis and y-axis and take this side positive. Already we know this side positive, this is negative. Now we already read theorem. In a 3-phase 4-wire star system, the phase voltage are 120 degree apart. So this is VB. So this angle is 120 degree and this angle is 120 degree. Similarly, this angle is 120 degree. Now, if this angle is 120 degree, this is xy axis, and this is 45 degree. So this angle will be 120 plus 165. So this angle will be 15 degree. So when we will break the current to the horizontal, we will calculate 40 ampere cos 15. This will become, and this take this one will be 0 degree reference. Then this is 120. Then this is 120. This is 120. Here direction will be help us in calculating. And when we will this break component, this one will come IR cos 45. Now here we have to break for horizontal, this will be 15, and for vertical this will be 30 degree. This will be 30. 1 second. 45 plus 15, 60, 30 degree. So this will be 75 degree. And we will calculate for vertical. And take this one. This is 120. Already we know this is 120. This is 30. 120 plus 30, 150. 150, and total sum is 180. So this will be 30 degree. So when we will break this, in this 30 degree will help, and in the vertical condition we can calculate by this. So now coming to the question, we already know how to calculate, how to break. So when we will apply horizontal component, so this is the red and here 45. So when we will break, then 50 cos 45 degree this will be, and in this direction positive, so we already take positive. Okay, similarly for this will be blue. For blue, this will be 15 degree, and this side minus. XY axis already we know, so minus 14, this one minus 40 cos 15 degree, and for this already calculate, this will come 30 degree. So this will be the 30 degree. Okay, this will be the 30 degree for yellow. one time of I am telling you, this is red, this is yellow, and this is blue. So when we are breaking component, this angle is 30 degree, this angle is 15 degree, this angle is 45 degree. So this will be 50 cos 45, this will be 40 cos 30 degree, and this will be 40 cos 15. But this is coming this side, so minus we will take here, and this we will take plus. Okay, so we already calculated horizontal direction, and it comes minus 37.93 ampere. It will come in minus direction because net resultant will become this side, minus x side, because it is sum of yellow and blue. So it here more, so direction will be in the negative x direction. Now same for by component. We can see here, when this is yellow, so this angle will be 45, this angle will all become 45 degree. So minus 50 sin 45, because here minus by direction. Similarly for yellow and similarly for blue we can calculate, and this will come. So this 15 degree for blue and this for yellow. So angle I already told, using that you can break the component. So here we can found IH and IY, and resultant we already know this formula, we can calculate. So resultant we can get here 58.9 ampere. Now we have to calculate angle. As we know that in the Pythagoras theorem, this is theta, cos theta is equal to, this is resultant, B, P and H. So here sin theta is equal to, cos theta is equal to B by H. So this formula we calculated, because this is resultant, this is resultant, we calculated. This is IH, this is IY. So cos theta is equal to IH divided by resultant IR. So here we will, when we will calculate, we will get this minus 0.643, and when we will calculate theta, cos inverse 0.643, then we will get this angle. So here we calculate current in the neutral wire. Current in the neutral wire is the resultant of all three wire, that is yellow, red and blue, and how we calculated angle you see here. Thank you.